The same criminals who are involved in scamming
Fresh drop.
and extortion and being the footmen of gangs, the same criminals can be rehabilitated and they can come to work right here.
Fresh drop.
They can come to work in the call centers. They can become the data scientists. They can become the people who are manning all the machinery and the equipment in the bakery. Why not?
Fresh drop.
Why not? The truth is, we need their labor. We need them. And therefore, our policy is clear. And I'm now speaking to our young men and women of Spanish Town. Heart trust training is free. Go and get a skill. Make that decision. Put down the gun, put down the violence, and say, I am going to heart.
Fresh drop.
We've made it so easy. If you're just leaving school, we have a program called the CARE program. If you didn't get enough CXCs, we will support you. Jamaica will attain peace as we have had peace in our country up to the 1960s, when our murder rate was the equivalent of that of the United States, less than 3 per 100,000. We will get back to that, and we will get back to that within this decade.
Fresh drop.